Pod Petite is designed for easy installation and simple servicing. Here's how it's done. Start by choosing the best spot for your Pod Petite manual. Drill your holes. Secure the wall bracket using either screws or anchors, depending on your wall surface and structure. Attach the unit to the wall bracket and clip it into place. Turn the lock clockwise to fasten it. Close the door and you're all done. First, choose the best place to mount your Pod Petite Auto. Next, remove the wall bracket from the sensor box by pushing the release button at its base. Drill your holes. Secure the wall bracket using either screws or anchors, depending on the type of wall you're working with. Insert 4D alkaline batteries. Pull the release button down. Attach the sensor box to the wall bracket. Check it's all clipped in and that the sensor box is securely fastened. Then pop the Pod Petite unit onto the sensor box and clip it into place. Turn the lock clockwise to fasten it. Close the door and you're finished. Servicing your Pod Petite is simple and sanitary. Just press the two side buttons to open the door. Pull down the liner until you see the black dotted tear line. Tear the liner and remove the waste. Pull down a new liner and tie a knot. Smooth it all out. Close the door and you're done. To remove the liner cartridge, just push the press bar at the back of the unit. Pull down the empty cartridge and recycle it responsibly. Press the two side buttons to open the door. Place the cartridge into the unit's top cavity. Make sure the front tab clicks into place and check the cartridge is resting on the press bar at the back of the unit. Pull down a new liner and tie a knot. Smooth it all out and close the door. When the sensor box latch glows red, it's time to change the batteries. Here's how. Start by opening the Pod Petite. Turn the lock counterclockwise and detach the unit from the wall. Press the release button at the bottom of the sensor box and pull it towards you to remove the front case. Replace the batteries and make sure the new ones are properly in place. Thanks for choosing Pod Petite, the simple, smart and safe solution, period.